Let me show you how to make the format of percentage with different colors and signs. This is the data of percentage change. First you need to find the shapes, up and down, right? Insert symbols, and type Simpson, and then geometric shapes. Add this, insert, and this one we will use in our formula in formatting. Okay, copy these two, go to format, custom, use existing shapes, type bracket green, bracket close, space, percentage, semicolon, bracket red, bracket close, shape, percentage, semicolon, space, bracket yellow, bracket close, percentage, press OK. Here you can see it is changed already. With decrease it is showing the down size with red color, increase green sign with the going up color, and with zero change it is keeping yellow. You can specify any color. Thanks.